Hey guys, this is Bobo. He's a handicapped bird. What makes him handicapped, you ask? He actually doesn't have any flight feathers, so he cannot fly. His dream, though, even with his handicaps and everything else, his dream is that he wants to go viral. So he wants you to know, if you think that your problems are bad. Well, just imagine if you couldn't fly and you had wings. This bird loves having his feet massaged. And he loves me. He's been diagnosed as a baby, or, when he was younger, with suffering from anxiety condition. Hence the feathers, the tatted feathers. But we think he's still gorgeous. And he's so funny. His name is Bobo because he acts like a clown. So that's how he got his name. But his dream is to be an internet star. He wants to be a millionaire one day. So please like him. Give him likes. Because he needs it. Poor handicapped bird. But he doesn't care that he doesn't have any flight feathers. He's beautiful just the way he is. And I've been trying to talk to him and get him to stop chewing on his feathers. But he's completely doesn't have any flight feathers on one side of his wings. So we go for walks. Well, and if you ever come to Spencerville during the summer, you might see us walking downtown because he loves going for walks. But he's a cool bird. He really is. And Bobo wants you to have a good day. Don't you, Bobo? Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. He's a sweetheart. Have a good day.